Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Ashley, for those of you who are new, and this video is really an introduction to our girls. So we wanted to pretty much allow you to get a chance to know them, and so we decided we would do an interview where we asked them a bunch of questions to see what they had to say. So check it out. Alyssa, how old are you?
5. Yay!
What's your name?
Alyssa. Yay!
What song do you want?
What song do you want?
What song?
Let's song!
Which one?
Which one?
Which song?
Which song?
Happy birthday?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you.
Okay. What's your name?
Anya.
What is it?
Anya.
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 What's your name?
Anya.
Ava. What's your name?
Maya.
Maya. How old are you, Ani?
5.
How old are you? How old are you?
7.
Oh. Okay, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and pink.
Red and pink?
My favorite color is red and purple. No, I mean red and blue.
Your favorite color is purple.
And purple.
And
Yeah.
blue, that's right. What's your favorite color?
Pink and gold and lime green.
Oh.
Wait,
I didn't know that.
actually, my favorite color is red, pink, and golden, and turquoise, and all the colors of the rainbow.
Okay, last one. Which one?
And yellow.
What's your favorite song, Eva? Oh, can you sing it? Okay, let me hear you. Who's your favorite, mommy or daddy? Everyone yell it out.
Mommy and daddy.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is, I know, jelly with the salmon and egg and lettuce.
Amaya, what's your favorite food?
My first favorite is pizza, and my second favorite is In-N-Out fries and rice. And my third favorite is rotis from In-N-Out. And my fourth favorite
I said just one.
no, just my fourth favorite is burgers.
Burgers. Okay.
Wait, I just said
Ava.
I don't know my name.
Ava, what's your favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yeah. Spaghetti. And pizza.
Pizza.
And chips.
Chips. Yes, we know that. French fries. Too. Okay.
No chips.
Chips. Okay.
Well,
What is a cloud made from?
I know.
What, Ani?
I know.
Fluff. What else? Ani?
It's made of. It looks like it's made of.
A tomato?
No, it looks like it's made of foam.
Tomato. Oh, it's made of foam. Okay. Maya? Water.
It's actually made of foam. It looks like
It's water.
it looks like water.
It looks like water.
And
Okay.
it looks like fluff. I mean cotton candy with fluff.
What is a vlog, Ava?
A video that you made.
Do you have a vlog?
I do. guess what happens when you take a lot of pictures? It won't work again. And they have to delete all of them. Well, me and Anya and Ava have a vlog that we don't even put on YouTube.
Okay.
It's called Girls Academy.
Girls Academy?
Yeah.
I didn't know about that vlog. Okay, where do babies come from?
And you hit me.
Don't hit.
Okay.
Where do babies come from?
Babies come from their mother's womb.
Their mother's womb? Oh. Okay, when you eat, where does the food go? Speaking of. Where does the food go when you eat? In your neck?
Tummy.
Okay, what about you? Where does the food go?
It goes in here, and then it goes in your stomach, and then you go to the bathroom, and then it gets out in your body.
That is correct. What do
I didn't say anything.
Okay, where do you think food goes when you eat it?
I think it goes here.
Where are you going?
Here. I'm having good
Mm-hmm.
I'm here and here.
What do you think heaven looks like?
I think it looks like the moon.
The moon? Okay, what about you, Ava? You got something on your mouth there.
What is it?
Cheese.
Yeah.
What do you think heaven looks like? Yes, Ava.
God.
It looks like God. What do you think God looks like?
He looks like a person.
Yeah, what do you think? What color do you think his hair is?
Black.
Black?
No. I think it's brown.
Brown, okay. Maya, what do you think heaven looks like?
A golden pathway and a rainbow and a beautiful sky and it's a moon. Pool. It's a moon. No, it's not. No. It is.
Get your foot off of my table.
And no,
Get your foot off of my table.
it is not a moon. It's a place. Heaven is not the moon. Heaven is not the moon. It's above the moon. That means it's not in the moon.
If you had $1 million, what would you do with it?
I will buy for something.
What would you buy?
I will buy for
What?
a real doll.
With $1 million. Okay, Ava, what would you buy?
I would buy a toaster.
A toaster?
You mean a chocolate toaster? No, I know a toaster.
A toy toaster. Okay, put your dress down. Amaya, what would you do with it?
I would get a mansion.
A mansion?
Yeah. What is a mansion?
Who are you going to live in the mansion with?
All my kids.
How many kids are you going to have?
Twins.
You're going to, oh, that's right. You said you wanted twins. Ava, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm going to be a gymnast.
A what?
A gymnast.
A gymnast. Good. Okay. Okay, last question. What's your favorite Bible story?
I know.
Ava.
It's Jesus died on the cross.
Oh, that's a good one. Amaya, what's your favorite Bible story? Oh, yeah, you're gonna choke. What's your favorite Bible story?
No.
Sit, Ava, before you fall.
Okay. What is it? Mary Joseph.
Mary and Joseph.
Daddy,
Okay,
Joseph
where did
and
Eve come from?
Mommy
Where did
Mary.
Eve come from? Amaya.
Eve came from Adam's rib.
Adam's rib. Good job. Okay, do you think is there anything else you want to say to the camera?
Please subscribe. Leave us a comment.